Oh, Jose, you just got done again by Guardiola. Was the loss down to your players being overrated, or are you not the manager you used to be?
Both.
Harsh? Maybe. But United's loss to City has given Guardiola a 2-point lead at the top of the table, increasing the pressure on United as they travel to Vicarage Road on Sunday. But is there a better team for Mourinho to face next than Watford? A team who have suffered 9 consecutive league losses to the Red Devils and haven't beaten United since September 1986. Here's some footage of some of today's United team in that year. But surely times are about to change. The Hornets are fresh from a 4-2 thrashing of West Ham at the Olympic Stadium. With Etienne Capoue grabbing his 3rd of the season, he's now outscored the entire West Brom and Stoke teams. But he hasn't outscored Zlatan. His 4th of the season against City sees the Swede in red-hot form and showing United fans he's worth every single penny they didn't have to pay for him. Pogba, on the other hand, when the teams met at Vicarage Road last season, United stole the 3 points with an injury-time own goal caused by Schweinsteiger's cross. But with Jose making him train with the kids, could he live to regret this on Sunday?
I don't think so.